in case you're having any trouble logging your activities or minutes that you've been reading, the Beanstack Tracker app looks a little bit different than the desktop app or the desktop version of Beanstack, if that's what you've been using. So I just wanted to quickly go over how to log your minutes read or any activities you've done. So this is the home page. This up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see your adult reader. If you have any children or teens logged in or registered on your account, you'll see them up here too. And this is where you can toggle back and forth between them. I'm going to go to my child reader. This is what the home page looks like for the child reader. The most important thing to pay attention to is the minutes read. Our goal is to read 60 minutes a week for a total of 5 hours over the course of Summer Quest. Each badge is worth 20 minutes of reading, each logging badge. So if you go down here, if you have been keeping track of the titles or authors that you're reading, when you log your minutes, you'll see that here under recent titles. That's not something that's required to do. Under current challenges, you'll see the Kids Summer Quest 2020 challenge. Hopefully that's what you're registered for. You'll see under my badges, all of the badges that you have earned so far, including any logging badges and any activity badges. So remember, the goal is to have a combined total of 20 activity and logging badges. The Imagine Your Story sign-up badge does not count, nor does the badge for completing the challenge. So it's a total of 20 badges for activity and reading or logging. So, and something to notice is you can toggle around up on top. You can go to reviews. There's a highlight section where you can take a look at some statistics, or you can toggle down below. This is where down below is the plus sign is where you want to log your minutes and activities. So you hit the plus sign. If you're going to log minutes, you're going to hit reading. It'll give you the choice again to pick between your adult reader or any kids or teens registered on your account. I'm going to choose Roxy, my child reader. Then it will bring up the option to either scan an ISBN, which you can use your photo app on your phone to do. You can search for a title if you're interested in logging titles of what you're reading. Again, you don't have to do that. You can manually enter a title, or you can log a day, minutes, or pages only. We are focusing on logging minutes for this challenge, so I'm going to choose that. Up at the top, you'll see what day did you read. It usually has it has today's date already on there. Then you can choose how many minutes you read. We're going to say that we read for 20. And then how many pages did you read? And this is optional, so I'm not going to fill that out. Hit finish, and I earned a badge, the float away badge, because I read for 20 minutes. So then I'm going to X out of there. I'm actually going to take us back to home. Then I will show you how to log activities. You're just going to go to that plus sign again, go to activity, choose your reader, choose our child again, and you'll see all of the badges that are activity badges come up. Something to take note of is that some of them are tied to a certain date. So if you hit it, such as Hidden Treasures, and it says this activity is currently inactive, it cannot be completed, that just means that the date hasn't hit yet for those badges to be earned. We have a theme of Hidden Treasures, the 5th week of Summer Quest. So these activities can only be completed that week. So you want to go out, and there's some that are activities that could be completed anytime. So I'm going to go to audiobook, and you can see that this has no restrictions on it. You can complete the activity anytime. So just be sure when you are completing the activities that after you do so, you hit the box and check mark that you did it so you earn the badge. Some of them have links, like this one has Cloud Library, this one has Power Kids. If you hit the link and go and complete the activity, that does not automatically mark check the box off that you did it. You have to come back and check the box off manually yourself to earn the badge. So we'll go back out here. We'll close that up. Now under all your badges, we will have some new badges that we just earned, which were the Float Away badge and the Listen to a Story badge. The newest badges that you earn will be at the top of the page. So that's just a very quick overview of how to log your badges. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us. There are some other interesting things to look at under here. Under Discover, you can go back and read over what the challenge is about. Something to take note of on the app, the calendar is currently only showing as half a calendar. We are in the process of fixing that. That was just a glitch, and hopefully that will be fixed soon so that you can see what things we have going on here. Again, there's activity badges. These are reviews, which we didn't really talk about, but you can earn review badges for completing reviews of books. And those are actually under the review badges right here. You choose your reader. Again, you can scan the ISBN, you can search for a title manually. We'll do Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Then you can choose which one. And this is the correct one. You can save it. And then you can write the review. Please don't hesitate to call if you have any questions. Thank you very much.